In 2025, choosing between a master's in management and an MBA is tougher than ever. Rising costs, changing job markets, and global opportunities. Which one's really worth your time and money? Let's settle the debate. Hi, I'm Shruti, and today we are breaking down the key differences between MIM and MBA. If you are wondering which one aligns with your goals, this video will give you a clear answer. By the end, you will know exactly what's right for you in 2025. Let's start with the basics. What are MIM and MBA, and who exactly are they for? MIM stands for Masters in Management. It's designed for recent graduates, for those with less than 2 years of work experience. MIM focuses on building foundational business knowledge and practical skills, making it perfect for kickstarting your career. MBA or Masters of Business Administration is tailored for professionals with 3 to 5 years of work experience. It's all about leadership, strategic thinking, and preparing for senior management roles. Here's why this debate matters more than ever. Post-pandemic job market. The hiring landscape is stabilizing, but companies are prioritizing skills like adaptability and global experience. MIM graduates are great for entry-level roles, while MBAs are in demand for leadership positions in industries like tech, healthcare, and sustainability. Rising costs. With tuition costs and living expenses going up, cost-effective options like MIM are gaining attention. MBA, though expensive, still offers a strong return on investment for senior roles. Industry shifts. Industries are leaning into AI, digital transformation, and sustainability. Both MIM and MBA grads have a role to play, but the decision depends on where you see yourself fitting in. Let's dig deeper into the key differences to help you decide eligibility and target audience. MIM is great for fresh grads or career switchers without significant work experience, whereas MBA is suited for professionals with 3 to 5 years of experience who want to step into leadership roles. Cost and return of investment. For MIM, tuition ranges from $25,000 to $60,000. Starting salaries are around $60,000 to $90,000 with quick entry into the job market. Whereas for MBA, tuition can exceed $150,000 at top schools. Salaries can often cross $120,000, which can grow with time. Now let's talk about curriculum and learning style. MIM focuses on foundational business skills with internships and practical projects. Like NCR offers workshops and field trips to business hubs like Abu Dhabi and the USA. At the same place, MBA is geared towards leadership, strategic thinking, and specialization. It includes electives, leadership development programs, and global networking opportunities. Lastly, career outcomes. MIM will get you roles like analyst, associate, consultant, marketing specialist within industries like consulting, finance, and marketing, whereas MBA gets you closer to senior roles such as senior manager, director, VP in industries like tech, healthcare, and consulting, or even in entrepreneurship. Now, the big question, what is exactly the right for you? Choose MIM if you are a fresh graduate or early in your career. You're looking for a cost-effective way to start in business. You want to gain a global exposure quickly. Choose MBA if you have 3 to 5 years of experience and want to level up into senior roles. You are seeking a career switch or a leadership position. You value a strong alumni network and leadership-focused learning. So, is MBA better or an MIM? See, it's not about which degree is better. It's about what fits your goals. If you are just starting out, MIM offers a faster, more affordable entry into the business world. If you are looking to take your career to the next level, MBA is the way to go. Here's the truth, both degrees have their place in today's world. The key is understanding what you want out of your career and choosing the program that aligns with it. So what is the next step? Research schools, evaluate your goals, and choose the path that feels right for you. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone debating between MIM and MBA. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Our team would love to hear from you and help you. If you want to know more about the top 10 schools worldwide that offer MIM, check the playlist out. I will see you in the next video.